My name is Keith. I am a senior software engineer. I work for a company that does networking solutions uh, for schools and for small businesses. And I give Visual Studio Code 5 out of 5. So before using Visual Studio Code, we used IntelliJ Studio, NetBeans, and Eclipse. And we found that the Visual Studio Code was just a better fit for everything that we needed it for. We ended up choosing Visual Studio Code because it was small, it was not a memory hog, it didn't take up a lot of space or used a lot of memory, and it had a lot of plugins for everything that we needed. While we were also changing different languages, we could easily go from one thing to the next just using plugins and the environment variables that change the whole look and feel around while not going to a totally different application. It was super easy to onboard and integrate with Visual Studio Code. Everyone was able to download it and get started right away, and then they were able to customize it as soon as possible and make it their own while still everyone was on the same page and had the same starting point to get ready and do the same thing right off the bat. I would recommend just try it out, see if it fits. It's free and it just has a lot of abilities, so it's a lot of fun to play with, and just give it a test drive and see what it's like, and if it's a good fit for you. It doesn't cost you anything, just some fun time. That's all.